G, come down here. They got the gangster cribs on us. Come inside, guys. Come inside. Yeah. Gee, what I tell you, man, when you sack it, no, man, you're gonna wear a belt when you sack it, man. I tell you, that always happens. Bro, okay, so we're gonna give you a tour on our gangster house. First, we got the crystal ball, because it's a party up in here 8 day, 8 night, all the time. So we so loaded with money, man. We got our own bowling alley system. Look, right here. Bam, yeah, bowling alley, Woodwood. All right, now come on, let's take it to the refrigerator. All right, well, I gotta do the gangster walk. I perfected it over the years. Okay, you know, people always ask us, you know, how do gangsters stay so fly? And you know what I always tell them is, we eat them. How do we, look, give me this camera, stupid. We eat them, we eat the flies to stay so fly. Most important meal of the day. Okay, so you know us gangsters, man, we like honey turkey sandwiches. So first, you need some honey roasted turkey. You need some low-fat Miracle Whip. You need some cheese. G, where's the cheese?
I'll show you what the cheese is.
G, this is shredded cheese. I said sliced cheese. I'm about to go Joe Jackson on you. G, what's your problem? No, get the crew. Get the crew. We about to have a fight up in here, G. We about to have a fight up in here.
Hey, yo, G. So, yesterday, I was walking up the hill. This guy's like, hey, get out of my face! And, I was getting on the bus. And then, the bus said, hi! And I was like, shut up!
Hey, young man, come over here. Look at this. Look at this, man. This is our cat. You see him? You know what we call him? We call him 6. You know why we call him 6? Because that's how many men he's killed. You better watch yourself, camera boy. You might have to name him 7. Hey, yo, G, come over here, look at this. See this right here? I couldn't afford the 24-inch, but I got 2 12-inches. Yeah, that's how we do it. Word up. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for my crib. That's pretty much it for my crib. So y'all go ahead and get up on out of here and go to some other gangster's crib. I think I heard a fight outside earlier. Might have to go settle that. My crowbar. I keep it on lockdown because I don't fuck around. Oh yeah, y'all can get up on out of here now. Go. Get in my face!